Welcome to Yoga by Devidatta. Today's video is about increasing the oxygen saturation level in your body. A simple practice to improve the oxygen level in your body. I'll also be giving a tip which will help you to improve your lung capacity while doing your normal pranayams that you have been doing. And it's a tip which will work instantly. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. So the breathing practice to improve the oxygen saturation level is very simple. You have to breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth or through the nose. But when you breathe in, try to count 5 to 7 counts, and when you breathe out, try to count 9 to 10 counts. So let the breathing out be even slower than the breathing in. Now, whether you want to breathe out through your mouth or through your nose is your choice. So you just have to sit in cross-leg position, or if you want to sit on your chair, you can sit on your chair, and very slowly you start breathing in through the nose. So when you're breathing in slow and breathing out even slower, you're allowing your lungs, you're giving your lungs time to absorb the oxygen that you're breathing in. Otherwise, the lungs has a tendency to contract faster after the breath which goes in. So many a times when you breathe in, you're breathing in the oxygen. When you breathe out, along with your carbon dioxide, you're also throwing out the oxygen. So here, you're breathing in slower, which is you're increasing the oxygen intake also, and as you're breathing out slower, the lungs has more time to absorb that oxygen and give it to your body, and thereby increasing the oxygen levels in your body. Now the simple tip to improve your lung capacity while you're doing the pranayams. In fact, instantly improving the lung capacity while you're doing the pranayam. So this is an experiment which I want you to do. First, you just sit in normal cross-leg position on the ground and just do deep breathing, or you can do Anulom Vilom Pranayam if you know, and see how much breath you are taking in while you are breathing in, how much effort you require to take that much breath in, and which all muscles are being used or expanded when you take a breath in. So specifically be aware of the breathing in. So just sit and do simple breathing in and breathing out, but pay attention to the effort that you're taking to take that much breath in, how much quantity you're breathing in, and which muscles are being used. So after doing it about 4 to 5 times, then you either use a brick or use a couple of pillows and sit on them. So here I'll be using a couple of pillows to sit. So basically, I'm just resting my buttocks on the pillows, my feet are on the ground. And now you again do the same deep breathing. If you had done Anulom Vilom, you do the Anulom Vilom. If you've done just a normal breathing, you do the normal breathing again. And again be aware of the same things. One is how much breath you're taking in, how much efforts you're putting in, and which all muscles are being used. So in my experience, more than 90% of the people feel either their efforts have reduced or their quantity of breath has increased, quantity of breath taking in has increased, or both. So let me know what did you felt. I'm sure you must have felt either of these two or both. So that's how you increase the lung capacity when you're doing the pranayama. So as a beginner, I always recommend my students to use a brick or pillows when they're doing the pranayams like the Anulom Vilom, Ujjayi, Brahmari. Also when they do chantings on Om, because you have to take a deep breath in, and when you're sitting on the pillow or the brick, the quantity of air definitely increases. Do comment on this video if you have experienced the same. Thank you.